Assalamualaikum and hello to all of you. I am Irdina Nushani Muhammad Safi, a final year civil engineering student from National Defence of University Malaysia. Now, I'm going to present my final year project entitled Springwater Treatment System using Spray Aerator. This research is conducted by me and under supervision of Dr. Maidana Othman, Dr. Zulizana Suif, and Dr. Nadila Ahmad. My research will focus on spring water. From the laboratory results, spring water in UPNM has iron ferrous value of 2.44 mg per liter. The presence of iron in spring water gives water the reddish color, metallic taste, and odor. It can pose a negative effect on environmental agriculture and human health. Hence, water treatment of aeration is done to enhance the consistency of the water. Firstly, my objective of this research is to determine the quality of existing spring water quality parameters. Second is to construct a small scale of spray aeration system, and third is to analyze the performance spray aeration system to treat spring water. In this study, the research location is located at Puncak Gemilang in UPNM. This research will investigate existing spring water natural resources. The water quality of spring water must be measured and treated before it is consumed. Next is the methodology of this research. At an early stage, the first objective, which is to determine the quality of existing spring water parameters, must be achieved. This objective can be achieved by water quality monitoring work in the laboratory and in situ testing. The parameters used in this analysis are pH, temperature, iron content, biochemical oxygen demand, and total suspended solid. In the secondary stage, the second objective, which is to construct a small scale of spray aeration system in laboratory, must be accomplished. A small scale spray aerator system will be designed and constructed in environmental laboratory in UPNM to conduct a laboratory testing. The results of the spring water quality treatment system is observed. Lastly, the performance of spray aeration system to treat spring water is analyzed. The percentage of the efficiency of the system will be calculated. Next is materials and testing used for this research. First is digital pH and temperature meter. Second is total suspended solid testing. Third is biochemical oxygen demand testing. Fourth is ion test kit to test ion volume. Lastly, this is the design of a small scale of spray aeration system in this study. Next is results of this research. The existing spring water characteristic was compared with the National Water Quality Standard of Malaysia to evaluate the standard of the guidelines. The summary of the findings as shown in the table. From the table, only total suspended solid is within the acceptable range for standard 1. Other parameters are within the value for standard 3, which are POD, pH, and iron. As you can see in figure shows an example 1 of the removal of iron results. The total removal of iron is 50%, which from 0.6 mg per liter to 0.3 mg per liter before and after aeration process. From this research, firstly, my conclusion is spring water quality for all parameters are within the range standard 1 to standard 3 according to National Water Quality Standards. Secondly, the small scale of spray aeration system influenced with filtration can be effective to treat spring water since the percentage of ion removal of this research is high. Lastly, the highest performance of the system for ion removal is 80% and its decrement in iron value by 0.1 mg per liter from the initial value 0.5 mg per liter. Here are an example of my research references. That's all from me. Thank you.